I'm 13 WMAZ meteorologist Alex Forbes, continuing to monitor the latest on Tropical Storm Claudette. That's what's causing all of these showers and thunderstorms across central Georgia this afternoon. We have a tornado watch in place that includes two of our counties, Taylor and Macon County there. That's going to run until 8 o'clock tonight, but I suspect we might see that pull further to the east as we roll through the evening hours tonight. Like I said, Claudette is now a tropical depression, peak winds of about 35 miles an hour, moving to the northeast at about 16 miles an hour, and that new track has it passing between us and the city of Atlanta as a tropical depression. But then check this out here on the Carolina coast, re-strengthening to a tropical storm by early Monday morning and then headed out to sea in the Atlantic. Here's what we're going to do tonight in central Georgia. Some strong thunderstorms possible after the dinner hours. So this is at 7 p.m. Then as we go through the evening hours, it's going to work their way across Interstate 75 and into eastern Georgia. Still dealing with storms right around 11, and we're going to keep the storms around, though not as widespread as we head through the evening hours tonight. Sunday morning, we will see that low begin to track between us and the city of Atlanta. Flash flood watch remains in effect for 3 to 5 inches of rain, and we could see some higher amounts in a few isolated areas. Like I said, we'll keep watching it. Certainly check back with us here at 13 WMAZ for updates.